Hello friends, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare Shahi Pancake. Making a batter of pancake, we have to take half cup of wheat or atta, half cup of rice flour. Putting a little bit of salt in every dish enhance the flavor a bit. And now I will mix this with water. At first I will put this amount of water, will stir a bit, and then I will slowly put more water according to the requirement. I will show you the consistency of the batter, guys. So I will make a thick pancake, so the consistency should be thick, not very much thin. So I think this amount of water will be okay. So now my batter for pancake is ready. So guys, the batter consistency should be like this. Now I will prepare pancake. So now I will put a bit of oil, this. I will make a thick one, so putting a double layer of it. Now I will close the lid. We'll let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will flip it. So I think it is done. Now it's time to flip this thing. Slowly flip it. When it will turn light brown color, then you have to take it out in a plate. And now I will show you how to garnish this Shahi pancake. So guys, our pancake is ready, but it's yet to be done because I will make Shahi pancake. I will just use this jaggery sauce or liquid jaggery in it. Instead of honey, I am using this seasonal taste of jaggery. Now I will put condensed milk, just a bit. As a topping of this. Now I will put Khoya kheer or Khoya in this. Now I will put chopped almonds, few raisins or Kismis, and now I will put cherry. Isn't it looking beautiful? Our Shahi pancake is ready to serve. As you can see how beautiful it is looking. As this yummy Shahi pancake is ready to serve, as you can see how beautiful it is looking, and please try at home and let me know how it was. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please like, share this to your near and dear ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And happy Pongal and Shankranti to all of my friends. Be happy always, and I'm going to come with new recipes. So till then, take care. Bye bye guys.